everyone, it's Barbara. Happy New Year. Can you believe it's already 2022? It seems like the past couple of years have been just a bit of a fog. You know, I'm glad 2020 and 2021 is behind us. I hope this year things get better. We can get together with friends, family, travel a little more, go out to restaurants, and do the fun things that we used to do. So I am looking forward to a good 2022. And for this year, I don't know if you guys make resolutions or goals or have inspiration, but for me this year, what I'd like to do is get my upper body in better shape so that I can have a little bit of definition here and firm things up. And I want to be mindful and intentional in my shopping this year. I recently did a closet clean out and I was just like, I have so much stuff and I really don't need anything. I have what I want and what I need. But if I do get stuff, I want to make sure that it's stuff that I don't already own, that's unique and that I love. So with that being said, I am going to share with you today a denim haul. I picked up some denim over the past few weeks, and I have a pretty good range of types of jeans. I have some high-waisted, I have some low-waisted, I have girlfriend, I have straight. So I have a pretty good variety, and I am a denim girl through and through. Like, I pretty much wear jeans every single day. So if you are curious about what I picked up, please keep watching. Okay, so the first pair that I want to share with you are these slim boyfriend jeans that I got from Banana Republic factory. These are low rise, mid to low rise. I think it's probably like about an 8-inch rise. And they have a little bit of distressing on them. And then I cuffed them up, but you don't have to cuff them up. I wanted them ankle length. And I got these in a size 25. So I've worn these several times, and I will say they stretch out. So if you like these jeans from Banana Republic, I would suggest sizing down because they do get progressively bigger as the day goes on. But I love these because I am now starting to get into the lower rise jeans. I mean, I still have a bunch of high rise, and as you will see shortly, I bought a few pairs that were high rise, but I'm also liking the mid to low rise trend as well. So got those, love those. And then the next pair of jeans, actually those were from, these were from the Banana Republic factory store. These ones are from the Gap, and these are the high-rise vintage slim in this sort of washed black or light gray, and these are ankle length as well. I love the ankle length jeans. I prefer them. That way you can see, you know, your little booties or sandals or whatever you're wearing. And I got these in a size 2, and they fit true to size, and they're stretchy and they're comfortable, and I don't have too many pairs of jeans in this color, so I thought it'd be fun to try those. And then next up are these, another pair of jeans from the Gap. These are called the High Rise Vintage Slim. Oh, it's the same silhouette, but these have the exposed buttons on the front. And these I got in a size 4, so size 27. And also the released hem, and very little to no distressing on these, and these are like a light wash, so these are really cute, love those. And then next up I have, what do I have? Oh, these jeans from these are from Banana Republic, and these are called the High Rise Slim ankle length, and I got these in a size 26. And these also have the released hem and minimal distressing as well. These are super stretchy and flattering and very comfortable. And I like these with my little heels. So I got those. And then next up, I'm not sure how I feel about these. These I got from Abercrombie. They are the 90s straight ultra high rise. And I got them, what I liked about them was that there was the little slit down at the bottom. And I always love that because I think it's so cute. You can show your little booties or shoes. But I don't know if I love the fit right here. You'll have to let me know what you think. I got these in a size 26. And I got them for a really good price. I think I paid under $50 for these. So, I mean, I think they're keepers. I don't know, I'll have to look back at the footage and see what I think. And then next up, I have, oh, so these are a little bit different than anything that I have. These jeans are by Frame, and they are, they have the slits on the sides. And they're kind of reminiscent of the Margiela jeans that are super expensive. These are the barrel cut, so they go cinch in at the waist, then they go out, and then they go back in again at the ankle. And I got these in a size 26. And I didn't know how I was gonna feel about them, but I actually like them a lot. I think they're super cute. And like I said, they're different. I don't have anything like this. So I got those. And then the last pair I want to show you are the same as the first pair that I showed you, the Slim Girlfriend from Banana Republic. And I did get these in a size 2, which is my regular size. I said on the blue denim to size up, or excuse me, size down because they do grow, but white denim I always feel like I size up. So same thing, cuff bottom, and these don't have a ton of stretch, but they are comfortable, and like I said, they do get a little bit bigger as you wear them throughout the day, and these are the low rise as well. So, okay, so that is it for my denim haul and try on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite pair of jeans was or what you plan on purchasing in 2022, if you're going to be more intentional and mindful as I am. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy outfits of the day, styling videos, and hauls, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.